Students, the question is write a program to check whether the number is positive or negative or zero. Okay, this is the question. So how many choices is available here? Anyway, we are going to display only one output, but how many choices are there? Kavishri, Masri, anyone? Others? See, positive, negative, or zero. Okay, three conditions are there. So you have to use if elif type. Okay, if elif else, and you can also use nested if type. Okay, so I will just give the condition. Okay, what condition we have to use? So see here. So if we get the number in the n is a variable. So first thing we want to check the number is positive or negative. Okay, so if any value that is greater than 0 means definitely that will be a positive. Okay, here you can print positive. Understood, students? Students, I need a interaction from everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next condition, if another condition is there, if that above n greater than 0 is not satisfied means we will check n less than 0. Okay, if this one satisfied means definitely that number will be negative. Okay, students, right or not? Students,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So if both the condition are failed means, okay, if both the condition are not satisfied, definitely the number would be 0. Okay, this is the third output, third choice we want to display. Okay, so if that is no not negative, not positive, then it would definitely should be a 0. Understood? Okay, so this is how you have to implement for the first question. Okay, students, everyone understood? I already explained it during this classes. I think this week
Yes,
also
sir.
we have explained this program. Okay, so the next question. So next question, I have given this answer in the program section also. The program file. Write a program to check the given year is leap year or not. Okay, leap year. So here our input year is some number, that is 4-digit number. Okay, or any year. Okay, as a input. So we have to check that the year is a leap year or not. Okay, we are having only two choices, but there are multiple conditions are available. Okay, anyway this will return two. Okay, either it is leap year or non leap year, but the multiple conditions are available. Okay, multiple condition means one if should be sorry. Oh, that is like a nested if condition. Okay, so multiple if conditions are to be satisfied to display that the year is a leap year or not. Okay, students, understood? Students, understood or not? Anyway, I will give the condition for checking that year is leap year or not. Okay, if that any year that is divided by 400 and the remainder is 0 means that year should be a leap year. Okay, definitely that year is a leap year. And you should also check if any year that is divided by 100 and the remainder is 0, that is also a leap year. But any year that it should satisfy both this condition. Okay, if any year 100 and it should also divided by 400. Okay, other than years like 2000 is a leap year, but 1900 is non leap year. Okay, students, understood? So I will alter this command like for 100 should be satisfied and 400 also satisfied. Okay, this is the condition, first one. And another one is third condition is if year should be divided by 4 and that should be remainder as equal to 0. Okay, these are the three conditions we should implement. Okay, if anything that not satisfied with this condition means that year is non-leap year. Okay, students understood? Students, everyone understood or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so like that you have to implement. So the solution for this program is available in the program file which I shared with you. Okay, so then next question is write a program to find the greatest among three numbers. Okay, this is a slight difference from your question paper. That is, for you, that question will be like write a program to find lowest among three numbers. Okay, so greatest among means that you have to use greater than symbol instead of lesser than symbol. Okay, understood, students? If there is three number, you should use this one. Okay, if a greater than b and okay, you can also use this symbol, students, a greater than symbol and a greater than c. So here we are checking multiple conditions in the single line. Okay, instead of nested if, you can also use this one. Okay, if it is not satisfied, if satisfied means this a is big. Okay, see, a is big. If it is not satisfied means you can also give else if condition. So next one, if anyway it is not satisfied means either b or c will be big. Okay, that we have to check here, like b greater than c, b greater than a and b greater than c. Okay, b greater than a and b greater than c. This is another kind of implementation. Okay, uh, so if it is satisfied means you can say b is big. Okay, otherwise if both the condition are failed means definitely we can say c is big. Students, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so during our class I have implemented this program by using nested if. Okay, here I have used the if else condition. Okay, so there are multiple kind of answer is there. Okay, so students, you can use any type unless they are mentioning whether you have to use this kind of if type or this nested if, like that. If they mention means you have to particularly use this type. Okay, so otherwise you can use any type. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதா? ஸோ நம்ம வந்து கொஷினில் இந்த டைப் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து பர்டிகுலராக அந்த டைப் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ அதாவது நெஸ்டட் இஃப்னு கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, இல்லைனா இஃப் எல்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. அப்போ நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அதர்வைஸ் இந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு எது வந்து கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக இருக்கோ, எது உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கோ அதை நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். புரியுதாம்மா? ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? பிரவி, கவிஸ்ரீ, நம்ரிதா, everyone understood? Indu, Madhushri,
Yes, sir.
yes, good. Okay, so the next question is theory question. Okay, explain about conditional statements and its all types along with its syntax and example. Okay, here you have to explain all the four types of conditional statements. Okay, with its syntax, definition and example. Okay, one simple example. So students, so this is very important one. Okay, so if you know the syntax only, you can answer everything. That will be useful for finding the output and writing the program, and also it is useful for debugging the programs. Okay, so then fifth question, write a program to find the discount 10 percentage if amount is more than 1000, otherwise discount 5%. Okay, students, anyone know how to write the program? What type of implementation we need? What type of if statement? Students, anyone? How many choices
So
are there?
necessary.
Which one? Nested if. Indu, come again.
Yes, sir. Or if
Yeah,
else.
nested if not needed, ma. Okay, if else is enough for this program. Okay, so I will just give some condition, then you can fulfill the program. Okay, so before that you have to uh, give the discount value. Okay, discount value is the input for us in this program. Okay, so you have to give input value here. So in the condition, sorry, amount also needed. Okay, sorry, amount is our input. Okay, amount is our input. If that amount is more than 1000. Okay, if so அந்த கொஷின்ல என்ன இருக்கோ அது அப்படியே கண்டிஷனா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? இஃப் த அமௌண்ட் இஸ் மோர் than 1000, okay, discount 10%. So discount 10% means you should not type that discount is 10%. Okay, you have to calculate the value and print. Okay, so you give like this. So discount 5% is, sorry, 10%. Okay, so discount 10% of amount is, okay, like that you have to give is, then you have to give the value for that discounted amount. Okay, so how to find the discount of 10% amount, students? So after discounting 10%, what is the amount? For example, if it is a 2000, okay, what is the discounted amount? Students, discount is 10% of 2000 is
90,000.
1800. Okay, okay, 1800 is the amount after discount. Okay, so if you want discount amount means 200. So amount will be changed as, how to calculate discount. Okay, so amount into 10 by 100. Okay, students, is that right or not? 10 percentage means amount into, if it is 2000, 2000 multiplies with 0.8. Okay, 0.8 means it will give correct answer for 10 percentage. Sorry, 0.9. Okay, so otherwise if the condition is failed means else case, that discount will be 5 percentage. Okay, so there you have to multiply with 0.95. Understood, students? So you will get right answer here. Students, everyone understood or not? You want me to execute in the tutor? Students, Kavishri, Madhushri, anyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once again wait, I will execute it. Okay, so to avoid your doubts, I will execute this. So I show you in this tutor website. Once again, I will share the screen now. Okay, I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Okay, so here I give you, okay, any amount, otherwise I will get input value. Okay, integer of input of enter amount. Okay, enter amount. So so in else case we have to type the coding. Okay, like so here we have to change it as 0.95. Okay, why this? So this is the program. Here discount is 5%. Okay, else means that will be 5%. So I will show the output now. Students, everyone, the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see here, I'm going to give the input value like I said the example that 2000. Okay. So
One doubt, sir.
yeah.
Sir, what is that 0.9, sir?
So the formula for calculating discount value.
So that is 10 by 100 into the amount.
Yes. Anyway, you have to deduct that value from the amount. Okay. So that is what this is the simplest formula. Okay. This will return the same value. Okay. I will show you in the output. Uh, 2000 means I already told you that discounted amount will be 1800. Okay. In the right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now I show you how it will show you 1800. Okay. You see, this is the formula. Okay. Anyway, the amount is greater than 1000. It will satisfy and it will print true part. That is if part. Okay. So you see here that if will be executed and it will show the result. You see here discount 10% amount is 1800. Understood?
It will detect and show, sir, this formula.
This is the simplest formula.
Sir, in case of 3%,
3%,
it's a discount 3%.
0.6.
So if we don't know, only we know for 10% and 5%, sir. For 3% we don't know means how to calculate in such cases, sir.
Okay, so first, this is not a max class. Okay, I show you now. So first we will check another else case also. Okay, so if I give 800 means what is the deducted value after deduction? 5% means a 5% of 800, 40. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So now I show you. So it will give you result 760. Okay, so we will check that output. So you see that if condition will fail, we know that 800 is not more than 1000. Okay, so it will go for else case. So you will get the output. You see discount of 5% is 760. Okay, so now your doubt is how you are getting this formula. Okay, so I will show you this one. We will go for this one. So first of all, everyone understood this program, students? This is the solution for that question.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so now I show you how to find formula of easy real. This is a real time formulas. Okay, after knowing everything from the school life, anyway we are going to uh, change ourselves. Okay, so anyway every time if you are want to implement in this formula means you will have a lot of time to calculate. Okay, so after practicing lot of programs you know your formulas. Okay, how to use this thing. Okay, so first of all this is the amount. Okay, amount means some value. So discount means how to find discount. So 10 percentage means amount into 10 divided by 100. Yes, students, right or not? Students, Indu,
Yes,
this is the
sir.
10 percentage of discount. Okay, so now after deduction, that discount amount from original amount means amount equal to amount minus discount. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for discount we can substitute this above formula. Okay, so like amount divided by 10. Okay, after division, 10 divided by 100 means you will get division. Okay, in the denominator you will get 10. Okay, so like this. So from this you can get commonly amount outside. Okay, you can get so next one, 1 minus 1 by 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after simplifying, you will get 10 minus 1 by 10. So 9 by 10, 9 by 10 is 0.9. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that one I have used in the last program. Okay, so instead of using this many steps, you can directly use this one. Okay, this is a real time experience. Okay, anyway you need the solution, but in theory process, that is in your exams, you have to do all these things. Understood, students? But this will help you in your real time experience. Okay, so if 3 percentage, what is a 3 percentage? You see, you just remove this 10 as a 3. Okay, so after this you can get 3 by 100 as it is. 3 by 100 as it is means so you can also use star 0.03. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can get a 0.03 here. So 1 minus 0.03 is 0.97. Okay, if you multiply this, you will get that answer right. Okay, so whatever the value, you can use it directly. 35, 45, whatever the value, you can use it here. This is the simplest way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you just need the solution, you go for last step. If you want to explain, you have to do everything. Okay, all the 4 steps. Okay, anyway, so we will go back to Python program because every class is recorded and shared with everyone. Okay, so the next question you see, write a program. Screen is visible, students. The question paper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you see next program. Write a program to input percentage marks of a student. Okay, percentage marks and find the grade as per the following criteria. So what is the criteria? So mark grade. So if it is greater than or equal to 90, that you should print A grade. Okay, if it is between 75 to 90, it will be B grade. Okay, like this, we are having 4 criteria. Students understood?
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me which type we want to implement.
Sir, if a lift.
Yes, if a lift type. Okay, so now I show you the program. We will type it and execute. Okay, so you just remember this. Uh, Copy paste. Okay, so this is the program. So now tell me, what is the coding, students? What is the input we have to get, students? What is the value we have to get? Percentage of marks. Okay. So marks we can say. So mark as a input value, integer of input of enter mark. Okay. So then conditions, there are, we have to use four conditions. Okay, A condition, B, C, D, four conditions. So if elif type, so first condition, if marks greater than or equal to 90. Okay, simple. So print
A grade.
A grade, that's all. Okay, so like this you have to use for all the conditions. Okay, next one, elif condition. Elif marks, what is the condition?
Grade. Grade less greater than 75.
Greater than or equal to 75. Okay, 75 to 90. So greater than or 75 means definitely uh, uh, it will be like 75 to 89. Okay, because more than 90 or 91, 90 or 90 equal, definitely it will print A grade. Okay, if it is not satisfied only, it will go for next checking. That is up to 89 to 75 will comes under this condition. Okay, so here what we have to print? B grade. Okay, B grade. So then next condition, if this is also not satisfied, means we will check that mark with another condition like marks greater than or equal to
Grade.
60. Okay, so here you should print C grade. Okay, students, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is also not satisfied, means that is below 60. Definitely, if every condition is not satisfied, definitely that mark should be less than 60. Okay, so there we can easily print that is a D grade.
D.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we will check. So this is a program, that's all. Okay, so now I will print. We will check it this program. So anyone tell me the mark, students? Give me a user input.
93.
So first we will check 93. Okay, 93. You see mark entered 93. Then it checks for the first condition. You see this is true and it goes for third line. You see. So now it will print A grade. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now again I am going to check it with some different input value. So like 62. Okay. So 62 means we will check it
C
now.
grade.
So see, uh, it checks for first condition. So it is fails and it goes for fourth step. You see here, if marks greater than or equal to 75. That is also false because 62 is less than 75. Okay. So again it goes for next condition. So marks greater than or equal to 60. So here it is true. So it satisfies and it goes for seventh step. You see. So it will print a C grade. Okay. So 62 is a C grade. Understood, students? புரியுதாமா எல்லாருக்கும்? Abhishek, Indu, Madhusri, Kavishri, everyone understood or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is the easiest step. Okay, so students, you have to implement like this. So first of all, you have to get some clear idea from the question. Okay, that you have to understand. So நம்ம வந்து கொஷின் நல்லா கிளியரா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய கொஷின்ஸ் இது மாதிரி நிறைய டைப் ஆஃப் கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே, நம்ம என்ன டைப் வந்து நம்ம இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம டிசைட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இஃப் எல்இஃப் டைப், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நெஸ்டட் இஃப் எல்ஸ். ஸோ எகைன் இது வந்து ரெண்டு டைப்புமே பண்ணலாம், நெஸ்டட் இஃப்லையும் பண்ணலாம், இஃப் எல்இஃப்லையும் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இஃப் எல்ஸ் டைப். சரியா? ஸோ எகைன் இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இஃப் எல்இஃப் டைப். ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக நம்ம கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது நம்ம எந்த டைப் மூலமாக அதை இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறதுல நம்ம ஒரு கரெக்டான டெசிஷன் நம்ம எடுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? அப்போ தான் நம்ம வந்து இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். இதுக்கு பியூர்லி யூ நீட் அ ப்ராக்டிஸ். ஓகே, நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். டெசிஷன் உங்களோட திங்கிங்லேயே இது எல்லாமே வரணும். ஓகே, பிஃபோர் இம்ப்ளிமெண்டிங் ஃபஸ்ட்டு யூ ஹாவ் டு பிளான். ஓகே, விச் டைப் வி ஹாவ் டு இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ இங்கே பாருங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இதே பாருங்க இப்போ 75 to 90. ஸோ இப்படி எக்ஸாக்டாக நம்ம கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னாலும் நம்ம வந்து ப்ரோக்ராமில் கொடுக்க முடியும். ஓகே, இங்கே பாருங்க மிடில் இருக்கிற 2 கண்டிஷன் மட்டும் நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறேன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இங்கே வந்து கிரேட்டர் than ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு 90. ஓகே, ரைட். ஸோ இங்கே பாருங்க 75 to 90 எக்ஸாக்டாக அப்படி இருக்கணும். அப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்து ஜஸ்ட் நான் ஒரு சின்ன சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறேன் ப்ரோக்ராமில். நல்லா கவனமாக பாருங்கள். இது ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் கூட எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் ஷுட் பி பிட்வீன் 75 அண்ட் 90. ஸோ இது எப்படி கண்டிஷன்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ கிரேட்டர் than ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு 75 அண்ட் ஓகே யூ கேன் யூஸ் அண்ட் சிம்பிள். ஓகே, லாஜிக்கல் ஆப்ரேட்டர் அண்ட் மார்க்ஸ் less than or less than 90. Okay, that you can use it here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
anyway this is equivalent to the previous method. Okay, but if you want to very much specific mean, you can use this condition also. This is also right. Understood, students? This will satisfy both the condition. Here this elif condition should satisfy both these condition. Okay, it should greater than 75 and it also less than 90. Students understood? So now tell me what is the alter command for this one? Marks greater than or equal to 60
And marks
and
less than 75.
less than. Okay, so if you give less than or equal to here means what will happen? It will satisfy in the both conditions. Okay, here also 75. If you give equals to 75 means it will give error. Okay, both the condition will satisfy. Understood? ஸோ நம்ம வந்து அந்த ரேஞ்ச் நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக கொடுக்கணும். இப்போ வந்து 90 ஆர் எபோவ் 90. ஸோ இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 90 கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. ஸோ 89 அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? லெஸ் தென் மட்டும்தான் கொடுக்கணும். லெஸ் தென் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. சரியா? இந்த இடத்துல எல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லெஸ் தென் சிம்பிள் வராது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஒரு ப்ரீவியஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கு ஒரு ஆல்டர் ப்ரோக்ராமாக இதை கூட யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? we can use different kind of implementation. ஓகே, எல்லாமே நம்மளுடைய திங்கிங்ல தான் இருக்கும். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all. And everyone, I tell you again that you have to submit your classwork notes. Okay, நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன்னும் சப்மிட் பண்ணாம இருக்கீங்க. Submit it soon. Okay, so thank you students. We will discuss the next class. Okay, thank you students.